Hey everyone, today we're making these rich fudgy brownie bites. Let's get started. In a large bowl, whisk 100 grams of sugar, 71 grams of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and vanilla for 5 to 6 minutes until light and fluffy. This is the secret to those shiny brownie tops. Melt 42 grams of bittersweet chocolate with 75 grams of neutral oil over simmering water. Then let it cool slightly. Slowly mix in the melted chocolate. Next, add 60 grams of flour, 42 grams of cocoa powder, 14 grams of espresso powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix just until combined. Fold in 63 grams of chopped bittersweet chocolate. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and grease a mini muffin pan with butter. Fill each mini muffin cup about 3/4 full and bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let them cool for a few minutes. Then enjoy these incredibly fudgy brownie bites. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know how your brownie bites turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.